Dear students, today we'll discuss the power quality issues which take place in the distribution network. So power quality concerns with the electrical interaction, that is between interaction with the customers and its network. So it consists of two parts. One is voltage quality and another is current quality. So what is this voltage quality? It concerns the way in which the supply voltage impacts the equipment. Similarly, current quality, it concerns the way in which equipment current impacts the system. So most of the recent emphasis is on voltage quality, that is voltage dip and interruption being dominant. So customers are considered as primarily and as treated as distributed networks. So customers may be an end users, producers or both. So the third aspect, that is next to voltage and current quality, is tripping of generator unit. Right? Units due to voltage disturbance. Okay. So voltage quality, that is other customers. This is transmission and distribution network. Then which impacts the equipment. Similarly, current quality, other customers, TD, where the equipment current impacts the system. Okay, here generator current impact the network, and through the network it impact other customers. The impact on customers should remain within acceptable limit. So DG can also be used to improve the voltage quality in a controlled way. This requires a mean to control the current magnitude and phase angle of the current compared to the voltage and the current waveform. Okay, so this can be possible by using synchronous machine, but the main research activity concern the control of DG with power electronic interfaces. So by using power electronic interfaces, we can control the current. Okay, so this is regarding power quality issues which take place in distribution network.